Hey everybody, and welcome to Dan's Hobby Room. Got an update for the big rig build off. Started on my trailer. Got it extended here. You can see the bottom. I extended it here so I can split the rails. Extended the bottom. Here's the bottom parts. I split these in half so I can have the axles spread. Then I have the body parts and primer. These covers here, they cover the gas tank. They go into the cab. I extended these. I made this piece here. And what I did was just use some styrene, basically stack it on top of each other. And then I glued it and then sanded it. And I put a little gouge, whatever you want to call it. I did that. They turned out pretty good. I got wet sand that, try to get it nice and smooth. Then I've got my chassis. Got the wheels on. I put the gas tanks on. Motors in. The mud flaps, I found this logo on the internet. I'm pretty sure it's an international logo. It's not the same as the other logo, but I painted those on. Got those mounted up. I'm really happy with those. Chassis looking pretty good. I've got some more sanding and body work and cutting to do on the trailer. A lot of work. Thinking maybe I should have got the Mobius trailer. It would have been the right length. I just would have had to extend the bottom part. I think that probably would have been easier, but this trailer was cheaper. Mobius trailers, they're getting hard to find. So that's my update. I gotta try to get the trailer done and get everything mocked up so I can start getting some stripes laid out. There's the picture here, the truck. Everything's lined up, so I kind of got to get everything mocked up and laid out so I can lay out my painting and get it taped up and whatnot. So thanks for watching. See you next time.